Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can scrape the data from a website in a very simple manner. So first of all, search here Firecrawl. So Firecrawl is basically a API through which you can scrape the data from a website in a very simple manner. So what you have to do, go to the Firecrawl, log in with your Google account and click on dashboard. After that, you have to click on your API keys and just copy this API key. By default, a API key will be given to you. If it is not given, what you have to do, just click on create API key and create your new API key. Now let us do the coding part. So first thing that I need to do, I need to install this Firecrawl into my system. So I'm using pip install -q. Basically, -q means installing this library in a quiet mode. So currently it is installing in my system. Once it is done, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to import two library. First of all, GetPass library and second of all, Firecrawl. So let us understand what GetPass will do. It helps us to pass your API key in a secure manner. And Firecrawl, you already know, it helps us to scrape the data from a website. Now let me run this out. Third thing is, you have to provide your Firecrawl API key with the help of GetPass method. Now let me run this out. And here, you have to paste your API key. So let me copy this out and paste it here and click on enter. Next thing, I have to initialize my Firecrawl application by passing the API key there. Now let me run this out. Once the Firecrawl application is initialized, the next step is to define your URL that you want to scrape. So currently, this is the URL that I want to scrape. So this is an article from Times of India that I wanted to scrape. Now, let me run this out. After that, I need to define some parameters. So the parameter name is scrape option, where I want to pass the output should be in a markdown format and only it shows me the relevant content. Not all the HTML links are required. Now let me run this out. Once this thing is done, now you have to call your crawl_URL function. So what this crawl_URL function will do, it will take your URL and the scrape option parameter and then crawl the website and save it in a result. Now let me run this out. Depending upon your size of the website, it will take time. Now once this thing is done, what you have to do, just print the result. And you can see this is my result. So you can see all the HTML content is displayed on the screen. Here we need this markdown only. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extract this markdown from this JSON response. So here what I'm going to do, I'm iterating through the result and finding out the data. After that, I'm extracting the markdown field and displaying it out. Now let me run this out. And here we can see we have successfully crawled our website. So this is how you can perform web scraping using Firecrawl API.